Let's take a closer look at Warner Bros. Discovery. This is a $36 billion company, so we will just take a quick look at some of the financials, and then I will also give an opinion on whether or not I'm bullish or bearish for this company. Alright, so they had a merger here with Discovery, and as you can see, year-over-year revenue growth reflects this. We can see 3 billion in revenue for the quarter before the merger, and then after the merger we can see 9 billion in revenue. Of course, there's a lot of potential for synergies. You only need one HR department, you only need one, etc. But as you can see, they were profitable before the merger, and now after the merger they are losing money in terms of earnings per share, and this is not good. We can see that they managed to reduce the loss from one quarter to another. However, this is not what I want to see from a company like this. There's a lot of uncertainty for investors in this case. There's a lot of risk, and for taking this risk, I believe that there should be potential for a big reward. We don't have as much historical data that we can use given this merger affecting the numbers. However, we can take a look at subsidiaries here. We see, for example, Warner Bros. Pictures here, DC Comics. In this case, just my general gut feeling is a bit bearish, and that this company will give below market returns. We know DC Comics here for their superhero franchises. However, as with consumer behavior, all of these things are cyclical. Superhero movies have been super popular now for a long time, and I think it's long overdue for the industry to phase out and bring in a new fad, such as we saw, westerns before, we saw zombie movies. I think that there's a high risk that this will be swapped out to something different as we see more fatigue with superhero movies from consumers. And then we also have, for example, CNN here. I think television is a medium on decline. I read a study from a Danish university where they looked at what consumers, young children in this case, meant when they said television, and in a lot of the cases they don't talk about traditional cable such as a lot of us older generations do and mean when we say the word television. When they say television, they mean Netflix and streaming services as well as YouTube. So this is not a positive signal for traditional news media. And I also took a look at the ratings and could see that they were indeed declining for CNN here. So it's an industry in decline for that subsidiary, high risk of a new fad bringing in a new type of consumer behavior that's not beneficial for another subsidiary. And we can see 9 billion of revenue here for the quarter for a $36 billion company that's losing money. There's not enough reward for taking this risk in my opinion, and in my opinion I believe that Warner Bros. Discovery will have below market returns in the near future. That's been it, taking a look at this company, but as always, I really hope you make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. I'm always sharing for people to make money. Alright, take care. Bye bye.